Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you buzz up and create wealth for yourself. Now, if this is the first time you're watching my videos, my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and helping you start an online business that can help you create wealth for yourself. So if you're interested in all that type of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my all-time favorite business model, drop shipping. Now, if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I talk a lot about drop shipping here on this channel because it's a business model that I personally currently use for my online store fashion. So if you're someone out there who's thinking about starting an online store, or you want to start an online boutique but you're still not sure if drop shipping is the right business model for you to use, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be talking about when you should and when you should not use drop shipping for your online boutique, and if it's the right business strategy for your business. So if you're interested in finding out more, you better stay tuned and watch this video till then. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online store or an online business. It's a very low cost way to start your own online store or your own online boutique. In this day and age, selling products online is becoming more and more competitive. So a lot of people are now using the dropshipping business model in order to minimize the risks of, losing out a lot of money on purchasing wholesale inventory in advance. And some people just find it a lot more convenient using dropshipping because they don't have to handle any shipping, packaging, or delivery of products to customers. So dropshipping is basically a process whereby you do not need to purchase any wholesale inventory prior to launching your business. What you simply have to do is find a few wholesale or dropshipping vendors out there that do offer a dropshipping service and are willing to process your customers' orders for you. And once you start selling your products, obviously you need to charge a higher price, and every time a customer buys from you, you pass the customer's details over to your wholesale vendor or your dropshipping vendor, who then processes and ships out the package directly to your customer whilst you keep the profit. So instead of having to purchase wholesale inventory as you would in a conventional way of starting a business, you don't personally hold that inventory. Your supplier is pretty much holding that inventory for you and dealing with the processing for you. Now, as easy as it sounds, dropshipping still requires a lot of marketing. You're going to be a salesperson and you have to really sell yourself. You're going to have to handle customer service as well, because your customers are going to come to you first to purchase those products. They're not going to your suppliers, and they don't care who you're purchasing those products from in the first place. They're only interested in purchasing that product from you and getting that product delivered to them. They don't care how you go on to fulfill that order, as long as they receive the product. So you still need to deal with customer service. You're going to be the first point of contact for any customer service queries, any returns, any refunds, any packaging or shipping issues. Now, the dropshipping business model is great, but it's not applicable to every type of business. So let's take a look at when dropshipping is right for your business and when dropshipping is probably not a good idea to use for your business. So dropshipping is best for your business if you're someone who's just getting started out there. You want to start an online store or an online boutique, but you don't have any capital, or you've got limited money to invest in your business to buy lots and lots of wholesale inventory. If you're just getting started and you don't have money to buy a lot of inventory in advance, then dropshipping is probably the best option for you. That shouldn't stop you from starting your online store, because with dropshipping you can literally start your online store with no inventory on hand. As long as you find the right suppliers that offer the right quality products and offer the best shipping processes, I'm sure you'll be able to get around using dropshipping. So dropshipping is perfect for you if you're just a newbie getting started out there, but you don't have enough money to purchase lots and lots of inventory in advance. Dropshipping again is perfect for you if you're someone out there who wants to have a wide variety of products. So say for example you're just getting started and you want to sell a lot of products on your website. You don't have money to buy too much inventory just yet. Then what you can do is you can pretty much use the dropshipping business model, sell as many products as you want. You're really not limited limited, because what you're basically doing is selling the products that your wholesale supplier is selling. So it's really down to you how many products you want to sell on your website. So if you're someone out there who wants to sell a wide variety of products, but you don't have that money to buy a wide variety of inventory that may not sell, then dropshipping is another great option for you to look into to get started. Okay, another scenario where dropshipping is probably best for you is if you're just looking to test the waters. So say you're someone out there who wants to start selling products online, but you're not really sure what type of products you want to sell yet, and you just want to experiment on a few different products before you invest a lot of money, then dropshipping is probably the best business model for you, because it allows you to, again, sell as many different products as you want. You can use that to basically test what type of products people are most likely interested in. And if you realize that you're making a lot of sales on certain products, then it's up to you to go on and invest in buying wholesale and holding your own inventory in the future. So dropshipping, again, is perfect for you if you're someone out there who is, looking to experiment, test the waters, and you don't want to risk your money in the process of testing your market. Okay, so it's perfect to research on your target audience, to research on what products are most likely going to be selling. Because let's face it, if no one is buying your dropship products, then what makes you so sure that if you purchase those products wholesale, people are going to buy? Dropshipping, again, is perfect for you if you're willing to take a little bit of risk, and by letting another company fulfill your customers' orders, and you don't really mind doing that, then dropshipping is perfect for you. But if you're someone who's a bit of a perfectionist and you want to be in charge of all your inventory, then dropshipping is probably not the best for you. But if you're someone out there who's willing to take a little bit of that risk, by letting another company or a third-party supplier fulfill your customers' orders, and you're comfortable with that process, then you can go on and try dropshipping as well. So in that case, dropshipping is probably your best bet. So now we've talked about when dropshipping is right to use for your business. Let's look at when dropshipping is probably not the best business model for your business. Now, dropshipping is probably not the best for you to use if you can afford to buy wholesale inventory. Now, if you already have the money and you can afford to buy the wholesale inventory, then there's really no need for you to go out there using a dropshipping company. I mean, you can afford the inventory, right? So you may as well just go on and purchase that inventory wholesale. And the truth is, when you buy inventory wholesale rather than dropshipping, because dropshipping can be pretty expensive as well, because a lot of dropshippers sell at a higher price. When you buy wholesale inventory, on the other hand, you're actually purchasing at a lower cost price, which means that you can actually obtain a higher profit margin. You can charge a better price for your products and make a better return on your investment. Whereas when you're dropshipping, prices are usually higher than what you buy in bulk. So if you can afford purchasing inventory right now, then it's probably best for you to go the wholesale route. Another case where dropshipping is probably not the best for your business is if you don't want to go through the hassle of someone else handling your customers' inventory. You want to be sure on your inventory count. You want to know how much inventory you've got in stock. You want to ship out your customers' orders yourself. You want to handle and fulfill that inventory yourself. And you don't want to go through the hassle or the stress of the unknown and not knowing what quality of the products look like. And you want to be in control of all your inventory yourself. Then dropshipping is probably not the best for you, because someone else essentially will be handling all of that for you. So if that's you, then it's probably best for you to go the wholesale route, purchase products wholesale, and fulfill those orders yourself. Another instance where dropshipping is probably not going to be the best for your business is if you sell low cost products. So bear in mind that a lot of dropshipping suppliers tend to sell at close to retail prices, because a lot of dropshippers also sell directly to the public. It's very possible that they want to make a profit themselves. So if you're selling something like, I don't know, earphones are very, very cheap. Okay, it's really, really low. You can buy earphones for like £1 or £2 or £1.99. So essentially, it's probably not going to be a good idea to dropship products that are super, super cheap, because you're not competing with other companies that can buy those low cost products at wholesale price in bulk. So you may have a dropshipping supplier selling an earphone for £2.99, for example, and then you can buy that same earphone at wholesale price for, I don't know, 50 cents, for example. So ultimately, you're trying to dropship a product that is already at a cost price of $2.99. So how much profit are you willing to make on that earphone? And then you're now also faced with the problem of competing with other people out there who are able to go on and buy those earphones at 50 cents each in bulk, who are now charging £1.99 or £2.99 to the public. So it becomes very difficult for you to compete with everyone else in the market who's able to purchase those products wholesale at a cheaper price. So if you're someone out there who's selling cheaper products or very low cost products, I'm talking products that cost you pretty much cents per unit, it's probably best for you to just invest and buy wholesale. And it's even cheaper for you to just buy wholesale and then charge your own prices, because you will struggle to make any profits drop shipping very cheap or low cost items. So you really need to think about the type of products you're selling. Look at the market prices, look at what other people are charging for these products, look at how much your dropshipping supplier is charging for this product as well, because most dropshipping vendors again charge at a higher price in comparison to if you were buying wholesale, for example. Look at the type of products you want to sell and determine from there if it's best for you to buy in bulk or you can go the dropshipping route. Dropshipping works well for sort of premium type products that are very unique, very rare. There's low competition in the market for those products, and you're one of the few people that are selling that type of product to your customers. Okay, and finally, in my opinion, overall, I feel dropshipping is best for people out there who just getting started. They don't have money to invest in a lot of inventory, but they're really passionate about starting their online stores or their online boutiques, or they just want to test the waters just to see what type of products are most likely going to be selling for them in the future. It's a great way to save yourself a lot of stress of having your money tied up on inventory that may or may not sell. So if you're someone out there who's just getting started with dropshipping and you don't want to risk your hard-earned cash selling products that you're not sure are likely to sell or not, then dropshipping is probably best for you. But if you're someone out there who perhaps you already have an established brand and you can afford to buy wholesale inventory, then it's perfect to just purchase wholesale inventory, to be honest. So again, the decision on whether to dropship or not to dropship is really down to you as an individual, how much you have in terms of your financial resources, in terms of the risks you're willing to take. Are you willing to take any risks of having someone else fulfill your orders? Are you just trying to test the waters and see what works and what doesn't work? It really depends on a lot of factors. The type of products you're selling, is it better or cheaper for you to buy wholesale or to dropship? So it's really down to you, your business model, and what type of products you really want to sell as well. And all in all, your dropshipping success will obviously be based on how well you sell yourself. A lot of people out here think because dropshipping is such an attractive business model, they can just go out there, upload a few products that they obtain from AliExpress or their dropshipping suppliers, and the customers will come running to them and pouring their hard-earned money to them. Dropshipping is a business. You're gonna have to go out there and sell yourself. Your website isn't automatically going to sell itself for you. You need to promote your products, you need to market your products, you need to stand out from everyone else, you need to give people a reason to buy from you. It's a business at the end of the day, and unless you treat it as a real business, you're never ever going to get anything in return. So these are my tips on when you should not consider using dropshipping for your online store. Of course, this is based on my own opinion, and if you decide to take any actions, then that's up to you. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful and it's been beneficial to you in terms of getting started with dropshipping. And of course, if you want to learn how to use dropshipping the right way, then there's going to be a link below this video to an amazing course at the Income Rip Academy that teaches you everything you need to know about dropshipping from start to finish. You even get access to wholesale and dropshipping vendors that you can use for your store, how to create your own website, how to market your products, and pretty much how to start your own dropshipping business from start to finish. You have all the tools and resources in that course, and there'll be a link below this video for you to check it out. Okay, and if you follow the link below this video, you can actually get 20% off the course if you use the discount code START NOW. Okay, there's going to be a link below this video. It's available for a limited time only, so if you want to take advantage of that 20% off discount, then be sure to click on the link below right now and head over to the website. You can gain access to that course immediately, any time of the day, from anywhere in the world. Okay, and again, if you're looking for dropshipping vendors to get started with, I have another wholesale vendor list of over 120 plus wholesale and dropshipping vendors across women's clothing, children's clothing, handbags, accessories, pets clothing, and pretty much different types of niches that you can get started with. So if you're looking for information on different vendors that you can use, majority of these vendors are actually United States based. There's also vendors from the United Kingdom, from Europe, and China, of course. So if you're interested in finding out more, there's going to be a link below this video where you can click to access over 120 plus wholesale and dropshipping vendors that you can use right now for your online store. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. I hope you found some value in this video. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you currently use dropshipping. What are your views or what are your thoughts on dropshipping? Let's get that conversation flowing. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. And I look forward to catching up with you in my next video. Bye for now.